Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video for you all. I know I have been gone for a minute, but y'all, I am back with a closure video for y'all. So I'm just starting off with some Got To Be spray. I put it on my edge toothbrush thingy and I'm just brushing in the edges of my closure. Can y'all believe it? Like, I'm doing a closure video finally after doing so many leave outs, but I'm here for y'all with these closures. So I'm just taking my what is this called? I'm so scared of it, y'all. Did y'all just see how I'm gonna burn myself right there? The hot comb. I'm scared of these things. Like, I don't I ain't with them anymore. I'm just not for them. Like, they laid them closures now, but man, I burnt myself in the second video I'm doing for y'all. I burnt myself, but if y'all want a customization video on how I customize my closure, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely let you all see me doing that or demonstrating that in another video. But I'm just using some Boho Active to lay my closure down. I am also going to be giving you all like some do's and don'ts of what I wish I didn't do. Mind you guys, this is my first time installing my own closure. I kind of didn't know what I was doing, but I kind of did a little bit. So I'm just going to show you all the mistakes that I made, and I'm still learning. I feel like I should have used more glue. Now, the reason that I was only using a little bit amount because I remember the lady that is like, I guess, the CEO for the Boho, she said that you shouldn't use too much. So that's why I only did the little dots. But I feel like it didn't last long. Like, it lasts like 3 to 5 business days, and then my closure was already coming up, and I'm like, what the hell? So I just definitely would use more next time. Y'all can see my man in the back on sagging and stuff. Okay, but I wish I would have used more. I did 3 layers. I wish I would have done 4, and I wish I would have done more. So now I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my closure, and then I'm just going to use my fingertips to mash it down, and also use the comb to comb back the hair so it doesn't get caught up in the glue. And I struggle with that, guys. My hair is getting caught in the glue when I'm laying down my closures. Like, this closure stuff ain't no joke, y'all. Like, it's convenient. It is so convenient, but it's a lot of maintenance. And I'm finding myself trying to redo and repluck my closure almost every week. And it's going on a month. And I'm also going to let you all see me relay it and how I sew it on in another video coming up. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel for that. So I'm going to take my Silverbird turbo dryer, and I'm just going to basically start to melt my lace. I'm pushing my lace into the glue. That way the glue melts the best. I seen another YouTuber try this method, so I'm going to do it as well. After I was done melting my lace, I went in with an elastic band. You can get an elastic band from Michael's. I know some beauty supply stores sell them. But I ordered mine from Amazon, and I just went in, I tied that around so my lace can melt. I also went in with my Silverbird turbo dryer to blow dry my hair. Y'all know I blow dry my hair even when it's dry in all my videos, because I just feel like it makes my hair bone straight. I don't have to go in with so many passes. And the flat iron I'm going to be using today is the Babyliss Prima. I just bought these flat irons recently. They're pretty expensive, y'all. They weren't cheap, honey. And then I just parted my hair so that it'll be easier for me. I just parted out my middle part, and then I'm going to go in with my flat iron. Also, these is Kendra's Boutique Hair. I'm tired of, kind of like giving her shout outs for her hair because Miss Kendra ain't sponsoring me, honey, and I know I'm sending her clients. But this is Kendra's Boutique Hair, guys. So after that, I just clipped off my elastic band, and when I seen my hair, I was like, okay, that nice melting, okay, cute. And then I'm just going. I also realized that my part wasn't necessarily in the middle, so I just went in to pluck it. I reparted it, and I'm just taking out any excess hairs that's kind of making my part look like it's just too full, too heavy in the middle. So I just did some extra plucking. So now I'm just taking like this eyebrow razor that I got from the beauty supply store, and I just started cutting away at the lace. And once I was done with that, I actually liked it like this. Looking back at my video at first, when I was in the mirror looking at it, I was like, I don't like it like this. It needs some type of baby hairs or something. But looking at the video, it was actually nice like this without the baby hairs. I could have kept it like this. If you're watching this and you're following along at home, you can leave it like this. But I just decided to make some baby hairs so I can make it look just a little bit more natural. Also, y'all, when I did my baby hairs, I don't know what I was doing. I still kind of don't know what I'm doing. That's something that take time, take practice. As I do these videos, things are gonna get better. I'm gonna take some classes, maybe some webinars during this quarantine stuff. And speaking of quarantine, I hope you all are staying safe, washing your hands, and practicing your social distancing and staying at home. But anyways, I'm just going to make sure I'm taking some classes so that I can get better, so that I can, put y'all up on game, because I definitely want to. So after I was done messing around with my baby hairs, I still really didn't like the way it came out. I felt like it looked better before I did the baby hairs, but I went in and placed uh I forgot what this stuff called. It's like a paper wrap, hair paper wrap, and I just tied that around my edges. I went in with some more of my makeup to make my part look natural, and then I sprayed some black hairspray on it just because I like for it to make my part look neater. But every time I spray that on my part, it starts to make it look like my part too thin. So then I got to go back in with some more makeup, and then I like it. So I do all of that, and then after that, I am pretty much done. I spray some hair oil sheen on my hair from argan oil, and then I just flicked it, honey. That's it. I put a little bit more makeup on the front of the lace just to make it look a little bit more natural, and this is the finished look. I still, honestly, y'all, I didn't really like it that much straight. I liked it better curled, and I have that tutorial coming up next, so make sure you all are subscribed. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. I love you all so much. Follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. I love you all. Bye.